Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your face on the Google Pixel 8 or Pro so you can take the best face for your photos. So what you want to do is go to your photos and then click on a photo which has not the best face. So for this example I'm just gonna show my niece here, and what you want to do is click on edit. Then you want to go to tools on the bottom, and then you want to click on best take. This takes a few seconds. Now it's gonna find the best faces to use for this photo. Now you want to click on the face in the bubble, and now we have a few options here. So let's click on the first one. That's the original one. So this is the second one. Already looks a little bit better and also looks kind of real. Then you have this option. This one looks a little bit more fake, and this one is not too good. So let's say you wanna go for this one. You would just click on done and then just click on save copy. And that's basically how you do it. If you got some value out of this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe, and thank you for watching.